This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Alachua County, north central Marion County, west central Putnam County, and northeastern Florida until 7:15 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Citra, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Citra, Hawthorne, Orange Springs, Cross Creek, Lochloosa, and Hog Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Alachua, Marion, and Putnam.